Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I just started by filling in my brows with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz in dark brown. After filling in my brows, I just go in with this mini Urban Decay concealer just to carve out my brows, make sure they're a little bit more defined. I then take this Real Techniques beauty sponge and just blend out the excess concealer on my lid. And then I go in with the Anastasia brow gel just to keep my brows in place. For this particular look, I did add on the lighter concealer just because I am going to be using color and I want it to be a little bit more pigmented. And then I went in with the Jaclyn Hill Morphe eyeshadow palette and just started in by blending the brown on the outer corner of my eye, and then went in with the green and also the light brown. So I just repeated all these steps until I got the right color that I wanted. After getting the color and shape that I wanted for the shadow, I just applied a little bit of mascara and then put glue and applied my false lashes. Next, I just added a little bit of primer to my face before foundation, and then went ahead and used the NARS Radiant Foundation, which has been my current favorite foundation for my skin, and I just like how glowy it is and how soft it makes my skin look. After blending in the foundation, I'm adding some concealer using that same Urban Decay concealer, and then on top of that a little bit of the e.l.f. concealer because it is a few shades lighter, and then I just go and blend that in. I then go in with the NYX cream contour and just contour the usual places, and then blend that in with a dense kabuki brush. After that's all blended in, I go in with the Laura Mercier translucent powder and just carve out under the cheeks and put some along the side of the nose and a little bit under the eyes. And after that sets, I go ahead and wipe it off and then just blend in all of the excess. I've been loving the Anastasia blush trio, and that's been my go-to for blush, so I'm just blending that in. And then I'm using the Jaclyn Hill Becca highlighter in Champagne Pop just on the bridge of my nose, the tip of my nose, and my cheekbones. I then went ahead and used a little bit of this brown lip liner and then filled in my lips with the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in London. That's the finished look. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos, and thanks for watching.